Hi, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. And today I would like to share with you a 99 cents only store haul. And it's a small one, but I just wanted to show you the name brand food items that I was able to pick up. And I'm going to start right here. I picked up these 8-ounce package of Velveeta, and it's the original. And this is the one I use for my mac and cheese. I got 4 packages of elbow macaroni. And I picked up a package of margarine, and it's the Blue Bonnet. And then I picked up this Lipton tea, and it's decaf iced black tea, and it's half and half. Half is berry lemonade and the other half is iced tea mix. And it has 5 packages that make 2 quarts each. So this is a really good buy right here. I've seen these at Walmart for a lot more than, lot more than 99 cents. Like I think like $3. And then I picked up this package of sweetened dried cranberries from Mariani. And I really like this. This is a Post Great Grands. And it's a digestive blend, vanilla graham. And this one also sells for a lot more than 99 cents at Walmart or Target. And then I bought this Northern Gold Quick Oats, sorry. And I don't recognize this brand, but I'm gonna give it a try because I ran out of oatmeal. And for my New Year's resolution, I was gonna try to start eating a little healthier. Well, it's not a resolution. I just thought this is something I should do. And so this is, I make my oatmeal, and I add a little bit of granola, and then the cranberries and an apple, and that's a hearty breakfast for me. And then I just wanted to show you these herbs that I bought, and this is parsley flakes, and this is ground black pepper. And then I picked up some hot dogs and some buns because we're going to have barbecue today. So we'll have this for the kids. And then I bought some ranch dip. And this is the Laura Scudder's. And we really like to eat dip with chips. I also picked up this package of Pampas cream cookies. And they're mini cookies, and they come individually wrapped, and there's 10 to the box, so that makes it like 10 cents a package. And I tried them already, and they're okay. They're not the best cookies, but they're good if you're sitting down with a cup of coffee and you just want a little bit of something small that's sweet. This is a package, and 6 little cookies come to a package, and I believe it was 120 calories to the package. So this will be good for the kids and for myself. And they come in the lemon flavor, orange flavor, strawberry, and then the chocolate with vanilla filling. And these were vanilla with the vanilla filling. And yeah, I think this will be really good for the kids. They can sit down and have a glass of milk and some cookies if they want. And then I also bought a package of Checkers cookies, and this is the raspberry shortbread, and we really like these. Although there's hardly any to the package, it's more air than cookies, and it's only up to about here of cookies, but that's okay. We don't need all those calories. So this I know for sure if I open this and I lay them out, they'll be gone, and I don't have to put anything away, and they'll enjoy them, and that's it. So yeah, try these cookies and let me know what you think about it. than a package of paper towels. So there you go. That's my 99 cents only store haul, and I hope that you get to go to one and find some of these great deals. And if you do, let me know and I'll watch your video. Bye.